Hi, welcome to the sixth and final part of the Spurgear housing in SolidWorks 2024. So first let's move that up to the plane here. I need two more planes and they should be, let's make them visible, parallel to the front plane. Yes, so let's go for reference geometry plane, and I want it to have an offset from the front plane, and the distance should be 21 millimeter, and confirm. Then another one, again with a distance to the front plane, again 21 millimeter, but I want to flip the offset like this and confirm. Great. Let's take a look if that's okay. Yes, looks okay. Now this should be called 21 and that should be minus 21. Okay, now let's move it after that fillet, and I will need sort of a copy of this one. Maybe hide those two, and I want to do it with offset faces. So go to surfaces, go to offset surface. Offset should be 6 millimeter from all those faces here, also from that one, and it should go to the inside like this and confirm. Then I need another one. Now from this surface, yeah, delete that one, and I want to flip it, and it should be minus 1 or 1 millimeter if I flip the offset and confirm. Let's hide that solid body here. Okay, now let's trim. So go for trim surface, and I want to go for mutual and natural split all. Yes, so I want to trim this one with that one here, and I want to remove the selections. So I want to remove this here, and of course that one here. Okay, and I want to create a solid. Let's confirm this. Great. Now let's move that bar to the end. Yes, and I want to hide that solid here. Okay, now let's add some fillets. 5 millimeter ones. Yes, go for 5 millimeter on this edge all around and that edge all around. Confirm and repeat that command. Also a fillet on this edge, again 5 millimeter, and confirm. Now I could try to reuse sketches, and let's take a look where the sketches are. So if I copy a sketch, it will not be fully constrained, so I can make new sketches as well. So go for that sketch 7, because these are my 2 reference points, and make it visible. It's visible, okay. I could hide that solid, at least for the moment. Okay. And let's take a look at this one. Just rotate it a little bit so I know which one is which. Yes. Okay. Let's go for another sketch on the front plane. And I need a circle right on this point, and this should be 80 in diameter. And I will make a second one in the same sketch, kind of quick and dirty, and go for 85. So add dimensions. This should be 80, and that one should be 85. Okay, leave that sketch. Now those 2 should go up to those 2 planes. So let's make them visible. Let's go for an extrude. I want to extrude this one here. No, sorry. I want to extrude that sketch here. And it should go up to surface, up to this one in that direction, and direction 2 would be again a surface, and this one here, and it should be a new body, so that's okay. No merge, that's okay. Yes, that's okay. So let's confirm this. Then add another one and make that sketch visible again. Use this circle up to this surface and direction 2 up to that surface or plane, and confirm. Great, now I could hide that sketch. Yeah. And hide those 2 solids as well. Next I will need those 2 new planes here. And now I can reuse a sketch, and that would be the sketch. Where is it? Here and there. Those 2 sketches. So make them visible and visible. And I go for another extruded boss base. And I want to use that profile here, and I want to start from a different plane, from this plane, and it should go up to that plane. Okay, and I could try to use the second one as well, or just confirm it. Okay, now go for another extruded boss base, use the second one. Again, it should start at the 21 plane and go up to this plane here. Okay, then to the other side. Okay, start from this plane and go up to that plane. Confirm. Another one with this circle here. Start again from the -21 plane and go up to the -72.5 plane and confirm. Now that merged automatically, that's okay. Let's bring in that boss extrude. No, that fillet. I think that's the one. Yes, and now I want to remove or subtract those two from this one. So go for combine, there you go. I want to subtract, the main body would be this one, and the bodies to combine are this one and that one. And confirm. Great. And I could hide those two sketches, which were here. This one and that one. Okay, now let's add fillets and maybe hide those planes. So I need a 10mm fillet on this edge and that edge here, and also on the opposite side, this one and that one, and confirm. Okay. Now I have to simulate or emulate that fillet again, because there is no option to limit a fillet here with a limit curve or hold curve. So let's go for fillet with variable radius. Yes. Select that edge here. It should go all around and it should be 4mm all around. Now that point here should be 4mm. Yes. And this one should be 4mm. Yes. So set all. Okay. Now let's switch over here and select this edge and give this one 8mm and the other one 8mm as well. Great. Now add this edge, go for that midpoint here and make it, let's say, 6mm. Then add this edge, this one here, and go to that point and make it 6mm as well. That's this one. And somehow I lost those two, so let's switch back to 4 and 4. 4466, that looks okay. So let's try and see if it works. Yes, great. Same procedure on the other side. You might want to add more of those points. So go over here, again go for that fillet, variable radius, select this edge here, make it 4 and 4, Then add this edge here, again assign 8 millimeter and 8 millimeter. Then add this edge here, go for the midpoint, yes, assign 6 millimeter, and then add this edge here, again go for the midpoint, again assign 6 millimeter. This looks okay, so let's confirm this one. Great. Now what's still missing is another extrude, and therefore I will need to see my planes, and then I will do it with the top plane, the one which is right above, that's this one, or maybe show both of them, doesn't matter. And I need a sketch there, and that would be a rectangle. So let's go for another sketch on that plane here. Centered rectangle, yes, and this should be 80 by 30. So add dimensions, this should be 30, and that distance should be 80. Leave that sketch. Now let's make an extrude, and go for extruded boss base, select that sketch here, this one should go the other way around, and if I do it quick and dirty, it will go up to that surface here, and I don't want to merge it, at least not at the moment, like this. Confirm, then go for a 5 millimeter fillet on those edges here, but a constant one, this one, 5 millimeter, yes, 1, 2, 3 and 4, confirm. Now let's bring back those two solids and combine those. So go for combine, add this one, that one, and this one, and confirm. So now I've got two solids, and that's the other one, and now I can subtract this one from that one. So go for combine, go for subtract, main body would be this one here, and I want to make it transparent, yeah, that looks good, and the body to subtract would be that one in between, so go for the combine here and confirm. Yes, and I'm done. I will leave the holes up to you, because I think you can do those holes yourself. So hope this was helpful, hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like and leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like and leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Instagram, Facebook, X, and especially on LinkedIn or LinkedIn Learning. So thanks for watching, see you to the next one, bye bye.